what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm showing you the great song by Four Non Blondes, What's Up? Okay, so we only have 3 chords. Let's start by putting a cape on the 2nd fret, please, to make it a little easier to play. We got nice open chords. Alright, so we got a G shape, 2nd, 3rd, pinky. And then we have an A minor. 1st, 2nd, 3rd. And let's make that a C. Just move your 3rd finger, 3rd fret, like that. The other guys stay where they are. And G. So that's the chords. And we have strumming is up, down, 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 up, down, down. Okay, let's go. G major. A minor. C major. For the verses, maybe you want to go do a little picking and strumming. So pick, strum, pick, and strum, and then bring it up for the chorus. For the G, I'm picking 6-4 strum, and then down, up, down, down, and then 5-4 strum. Same thing, 5-4 strum, down, up, down, down, 6-4 strum. Cool, there it is. What's up? Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll be back tomorrow with more awesome songs. Be safe. Thank you.